How to use all the preset programs on your Ninja Slushi. Not sure which preset to choose on your Ninja Slushi? Here's a quick breakdown of what each button does and when to use them. Step 1. Power on the machine with the container fully inserted. Make sure the container is locked in, the lid is secure, and the handle is down. Then press the power button once to turn the unit on. Step 2. Choose between frozen slush or frozen drink. These are your two main presets. Frozen slush, for a thicker, spoonable texture. Best for icy blends, juice-heavy mixes, or fruit-forward recipes. Frozen drink, for a smoother, sippable texture. Ideal for soda-based mixes, lighter juices, and cocktail-style drinks. Step 3. Let the cycle run fully without interruption. Each preset runs on a pre-programmed cycle that adjusts freezing time and paddle motion. Avoid opening the lid, lifting the handle, or stopping early. It can affect texture and consistency. Step 4. Want a lighter texture? Use the frozen drink preset and reduce the sugar slightly. Lower sugar content freezes a little faster and results in a smoother, more drinkable slush. Once the cycle finishes, pull the handle to dispense and enjoy. It's easy, fast, and gives you the perfect texture every time. If this helped you get better results from your slushie, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more appliance how-tos. And if you want perfect recipes every time, we've linked a kitchen measuring set in the description to help you prep with accuracy. Thanks for watching, and swirl smart!